Right, hi guys. We're just going to quickly look through spaces on a Mac. I'm not sure how many people are already using this. I thought everyone used it all the time, but apparently not. So I'm just going to quickly look at it. So we are currently looking at the Logic session that I'm recording this vocal into. Nothing exciting going on there. Should be able to see that on the GoPro and on the screen record. And hear my lovely dulcet tones. Hope you're all enjoying quarantine. Nothing much exciting going on, sadly. But this is how I normally have my main screen for conferences and gigs and stuff. So I have background music, iTunes or Spotify. This is currently an iTunes playlist because I love how small you can get it. If anyone can explain to me why I can't get Spotify into this sort of show, this sort of size, and how to do it, as small as I can get it is pointless. For like having it like this would be lovely if we did that. Or if you work for Spotify, could you please make that happen? That'd be amazing. And then we've got my main stings file that's just open, just as a generic thing for you to see. So it'll always like sit on this view or on this view. This is Room EQ Wizard. It is a free version of an EQ, so it's got an RTA at the bottom here. My house curves in, peak and current are pretty low because I'm talking pretty quiet compared to gigs and stuff. You've got the SPL meter up here and then an SPL logger. So it's just tracking the level over time. But sadly we're being too quiet for it still. But it's all gravy, so I just normally flick between that view and that view. And that allows me to quickly find a track, press fire, and then go back to this view, which is the one I'll sit on all the time, and just monitor everything that's going on. So how to do that? There's F3 up here. That will explode the desktop for you. It's next to this button that allows you to see all your apps and stuff, and next to brightness on the other side. So it'll explode it. I've also thrown it down here into the bottom corner. And then you can see I've got 5 desktops open. You can just quickly add a new one, just like that, and jump to it. And then it's open notes on this one. And then easily you can see you can just 3-finger or 4-finger swipe between them all. So there we go. I hope that was easy and simple for you. And hope to see you all again soon. Thank you so much. Bye.